Hello everyone, welcome back to Khmerue Teams Official Channel. Today I am CHHUOY again and I will teach you how to make a subscribe animation buttons in blue screen mode by using your Android device. So you need to download the file that called hypertext here on Play Store. Now we're gonna choose hypertext that called like this, hypers, and then it is here, hypertext animation text and intro maker. It is they have some free version. They have some free trial, but you still can use it to create any animation by using this one. So and we have it already here. It is called hypertext. And now I'm gonna use one more thing that you can scroll down and see a lot of animation that look like very professional, and it is a template that you can choose one among of that if you think you like it. So there's one I'm gonna choose this popping up subscribe button here. When you first come in, just among this you will see look like this, and you don't need to do anything by you just to change the background by clicking and choose the blue screen, because if you choose a blue screen, it can help you to make everything is easy to edit inside your video. So this one is no need experience about it. After you have been choosing like that, you're gonna click on the edit on the below hand side, and here is the way that you can change your logo. So you click on the logos here and choose any one logo that you want to use, and you can okay, just like that, drag it to be normal like that, and then click the check mark on the top right hand side and here, and the other one we're gonna change the name and text. So you need to tap it on the text here, and here is the name that you can change to your channel. For example, my channel is Khmerue Teams. Khmerue Teams like that, and sometimes I use hyphen official here. And then click on the checkbox here, and everything is look like fine. And you can also change your font style. For example, the style for this one. Whatever, you can change it to any language or any style that you can change it if you like it. So I need to be a normal style here. Okay, and after that, when you think something is already fine, you need to click on the checkbox on the top right hand side here. And then you're gonna play it here. It is the play button here. It look like this. It look very smooth. Okay, and now if you see something is already fine, but you cannot remove the watermark here. It's showing like the bottom below here. If you want to remove the watermark, you need to pay for $3 monthly subscription. But I don't pay for it, so I want to use it in trial mode. So after you have played it and watching it for many times, that you think you are preparing it for all, you will see the download button on the top here. And here is the way that you can save it as a videos or save it to a zip video or the green screen videos. So you can select that just like that. And I recommend you to select this one because it is easy for you to create any animation or can edit it in any video editor software in your PC. So you need to select in the middle size that called green screen. And then after you have been select it, you need to click on export here and waiting for a few seconds for the rendering. It is depending on your smartphone speed. And after you have saved it already, export it already, you will see the names here. The link is here. It means it saved it to that folder or the hypertext, and the file type is MP4. And you can also add or share it to any social media if you want. Now, for example, share it to Facebook or share it to any Instagram or anything if you want. And you can also play directly inside this one. It looks like very professional here. So now we're going to check it out inside the memory card here. Go to your phone storage and find all files, and you will see the word hypertext here. And if you cannot find the video, it means it's not have been saved yet to your device. So if you still want that file, you need to open it again and see it to Facebook or see it to click on share it like this and go to chat and see it to your Facebook account here by clicking send. And now you have already sent it to your Facebook account. If you cannot see this one hypertext, that if you cannot see inside your storage device. So this is the way that you can save it. And now we're gonna check the messengers and scroll down, and here is the way that you can get it and it looks very professional here. And now you can save it to the device by hold like this and then click save, and the video has been saved. And now we'll check it again by going to photo gallery, and you still can see here, one is we already saved from the apps and the other is already saved from the messenger. So there are two ways that you can save it, and here is the way. Here is the file that we have been saved it for the first time. Okay, so I think this video is enough, and thank you for watching my video tutorial. Thank you.